How to get avatar on PS5. This video will show you how to change your avatar, also how to buy a new avatar. So first of all, starting on the PlayStation 5 home screen, you want to scroll up with your left stick or the D-pad, go along to your profile picture there, click X on that, then scroll down to profile, click X on that too. Then you want to scroll along until you see the part where it says edit profile, click on that. Then you want to scroll down to where it says avatar. There you will see a bunch of different avatars that you've already got downloaded onto your PlayStation 5 here. If you want to pick one of them, all you have to do is go ahead and click X on whichever one you want. Then click OK and it will change your avatar picture on there. And if you want to buy new ones, what you have to do is go to the home screen of the PlayStation 5, then go to the search bar at the top right, then go ahead and type in avatar, or a little bit more detail than that if you know the specific one that you want. Then click done, then click on the avatar that you want. There's different versions there, most of them are in the add-on section. You can click on that, then you can buy them there, or you can also download free ones if it's available. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.